Mike here, Morgachar Farms. Getting ready to take some pumpkins up to the new Wilmington produce auction. Got some polar bear pumpkins loaded up. There's 16 of them in there. So we're going to take those up after we get Charlie on the bus. And it's an auction. You really don't know what you're going to get. And there's a lot of pumpkins there, but take them up and I got an excess of them, so sitting on them by the roadside and kind of waiting on better money. So got to take them up there and take what we get, and it's a good trip for the soul, though. You go through some real beautiful country up that way. Take you guys along with me. This area here is just leaving somewhat close to where I am, where it's more hilly and more woods. And I figured I'd just kind of narrate a little bit, let you guys look at the scenery as we get closer to where I'm going. It gets a little more open, a lot more farms, a lot more level ground. As you can see, just very nice farm fields, corn, beans, just real nice farms. I'm getting closer to the Valant area here. And up there, even though it's flat, you can get some lakes. And this is a real nice dairy farm here right along Route 19. Pretty soon coming up, we'll see the Scenic Co-op, one of their facilities, which is just outside of Valant. It'll be coming up pretty soon here. Just wanted to get some footage to show you how it opens up and just turns into some beautiful farm country up that way. And then here's Scenic Co-op's Valant facility I haul into sometimes. Now here we're just coming out of Valant, and this might be one of my favorite highways, roads, drives around my area from Valant to New Wilmington. Amish farms. Just, you're kind of up high. You can see a ways. Just beautiful, beautiful country. It's an Amish farm there. Dairy farm. And then as you come down, this farm here is one of my absolute favorites. I've always loved that farm, going by it. Passing a buggy, which is a pretty common occurrence up in this part of the world. And passing another buggy. And we're getting closer to New Wilmington now, kind of coming down into town. And just dropping down in, and you can just see for long ways, just more farms. Beautiful, beautiful country. If you ever get a chance to go up into New Wilmington, Valant area, Pennsylvania, I would highly recommend it. Alright, we're here at the auction. Just got unloaded with the pumpkins. I'll walk around, show you guys what's here a little bit, but I'm not going to stay. Alright, let's go check it out. A little bit of everything here. Mums, pumpkins, still some produce, even some sweet corn yet, which is pretty good considering it's almost October. Here's what we got here. These have been going pretty high. They're nice. Got some big buyers around. Usually buy this in farm markets and stuff. Pretty nice stuff. See out here. Even got a little firewood out on the end here. It's like some just leftovers from maybe a sawmill or something. Got some decorative crates. A lot of pumpkins. A lot of orange I don't see, at least out here, very many polar bears, so that might be good for me. Ain't good for the guys that brought these orange ones though. I'll be giving those away. Pumpkins as far as you can see. There's a few white ones there. Nothing as big as mine though. Often thought about growing this stuff, ornamental corn, but I don't know. Usually goes for a pretty good price up here. Lots of pumpkins. I don't know if they sell these ones or if guys are just bringing these in, you know, staging them to sell so many per sale. They have auctions on Tuesdays and Fridays right now. You can see they got a lot here. Like I said, I have not seen any polar bears like mine, so I like that. Here's my favorite wood burner that you guys have saw. Nice. Those are pretty cool, red ones. Here we go, we got some other polars similar to mine. It's a good thing, guys. There is not a lot of polar bears here. Pretty nice ones there too. Where he put mine? I don't know, I don't even see where he put mine. I put them way out on the end here. They'll probably be the last ones that sell. I don't know how that'll go. They have all their money spent. Let's hope not. Yeah, you see here, he put mine out here. I feel mine are as nice as those other ones. Like I said, I'm not sticking around. It'll be late when he gets here, and I could go home and get something done. Plus the mystery of what you get in the check, you know, kind of keeps you going. All right, so back in the truck, showed you guys around, and gonna head for home. I don't know what I'll get into down there today. Maybe not a whole lot. It rained quite a bit yesterday, so I'd like to start mowing those pumpkin patches, brush hogging them, but I don't know if I'll get into that today or not. I'm not real sure, but hope you guys like seeing the auction and the scenery on the way up here. I know I really enjoy it. Pennsylvania is really is a beautiful state, and you know, I love seeing that farm country, so I might take the scenic route home. Maybe see some sights, some more farm sites, but yeah, we'll see. But hope you like I said, hope you liked seeing it, and I'll see you on the next one.
Have a good day.